Cold and flu season is here, and who doesn't love a good home remedy to stay healthy and well? Let's make the most powerful medicine. It's the gift that keeps on giving, which is much appreciated during this holiday season. You're going to need elderberry, water, ginger, cinnamon stick, whole cloves, a half a lemon, and honey. Local honey is best, Manuka honey is better, but get what you can. Just make sure it's at least raw. Boil all the ingredients and let it simmer in a pot. Elderberry has high antioxidant power. It has antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-diabetic properties. It's high in vitamin C, promotes heart health, boosts your immune system, and is even known to help you go to the bathroom regularly.
Don't nobody go in the bathroom for about 45 minutes.
I don't know about you, but I don't need to be sick to take this. Recipe details are in the caption. Stay well.
Have some holiday cheer.
Peace.
How did you make this?